YouTube, what's going on, man? Today we doing a speed test run on the XRT. We got a 5687 hobby wing motor with mod 1.5 Saga custom gears. This thing is geared to 36 two pinion and a 32 spur on here, which is very highly geared for this motor setup. This is a 1100 kV hobby wing motor. It does get hot pretty quick with this gearing on here. I'm looking to try to see if I can push it to at least 80 miles per hour or something close to that without blowing the tires off. I had some belted tires on the front. Did a couple test runs yesterday, and it broke the belt tires. So I'm knowing the normal factory wheels are not gonna hold up very much longer on here as well. I'm gonna see what I can get out of it until I can get the Med Max foam tires for speed test runs. But yeah, stay tuned. Enjoy the video. Brought some tape or something to hold that shit down. right, YouTube. At this point, we made it to the end of the video. Got the RC back home, put up, let it all cool off. Now, I just want to come through with a summary of everything that went down with the testing these new gears out. And like again, it is the Saga custom. Got a 36 tooth pinion that I got on there, and a 30 tooth spur, which is highly geared. And then I also had the belted Proline Smasher X belted tires on here. I'm guessing, man, they didn't hold up with these gears being so highly geared up. The belted tires were ballooning, as you were able to see. So I went ahead and switched those over to the factory wheels just to give it a test, just for shits and giggles. See how those will hold up. These tires only rated, factory tires only rated to 60 miles. These are supposed to be rated to at least 70 to 80, but I guess might have just had too much torque with these gears, man. It just broke the belts in them, I guess. So going forward, I'm gonna be looking forward to try to put some Mad Max foam tires on here. Those are just strictly foam, so they don't balloon or anything. Most people run those for speed tests. So just be on the lookout for that next with my next experiment. If you found this video entertaining, comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.